Don't offer Krishna directly. Just offer to Radharani. It will be very much appreciated by Radharani. So this is our philosophy, to preach Krishna to Radharani. And today is the auspicious day of Radhastami. So we should offer Pushpanjali and pray to Radharani. Here's the prayer of Prabhupada. This is Prabhupada's prayer that he gave on Radhastami. Oh Radharani, please be merciful to me and tell about me to your Krishna. Oh Radharani, please be merciful unto me and tell about me. Tell about me to your Krishna. Krishna say Tumar. Krishna say Tumar. Krishna is yours, not mine. I want him to be mine. And I want you to be mine. And I want to be yours. But first I have to become Vaishnav Kukur Tumar. Ami Vaishnav Kukur. First let me become the Kukur. Ami Kukur. Let me become the Kukur, the dog of the Vaishnava. Then I can become the servant of Radharani.